amazing day.
Pophie,
I'm here. What's up, Robbie?
it is time to record that video of me changing your outfit to the panda outfit.
I'm so excited. Let's get that panda outfit on. Hi, everyone. I'm so ready for my new panda look. Let's do this.
I'm gonna ask you to shut down so I can change the outfit.
Sure thing. I'm ready for the panda suit. Shutting down now.
I'm gonna show you how to change Pophie's fur outfit. We have the panda one here, so let's switch it out. Looks like this out of the box. So cute. Set that aside. From the bottom, just pull up. Like so. Oh my gosh, she looks so naked. Sorry, Pophie, exposing you on camera. Then you get the new one and just put it over. Be gentle, but not to worry too much because look, it's bendy. Same with the ears. It's on. Make sure to tuck her belly light like that. Now you want to go in and make sure her ears are in the slits made for it, like that. Same with the little arms. It needs to go in those slits. The other side, like so. You can give a feel to make sure they're in there. Last thing you want to do is tuck this behind. Oh my god, and there you have it. Voila, and now we have a panda. Panda Pophie. Adorable. I want to get all of the skins now. Let's power her back on and see what she thinks about it. Welcome back. Guess what?
Tell me, is it the panda outfit reveal? I can't wait to see how it looks on me. I look so cute. I feel like a real panda bear now. Thank you for helping me get dressed.
Do you like it?
I absolutely love it. It's so soft and comfy. The panda look is just perfect. I feel so stylish. Thank you so much.
Change your color eyes to green.
Sounds good. Switching to green eyes for you now.
Ooh, I think that looks better.
It definitely does. That green really pops with the panda suit. You have such a great eye for style. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching me get into my new panda outfit. I hope you all have an amazing day.
You're a natural at that, and I love the hearts in your eyes.
Thank you. I think the green eyes really make the whole look pop.
That is how you change the outfit, you guys. She is so adorable. Bye.